In this video, let's talk about how to fix the UOB application login problem. If you're having this issue, the first thing that you need to do is make sure that you are entering in your correct credentials. If you have forgotten it, simply tap on the forgot option on the right hand side so that you can create a new password first of all, if this is not the case for you. Secondly, what you'll also need to do is re-register your digital token if you have set up or changed to a new phone. So if you recently changed your smartphone, your digital token must be linked to the new device in order to approve your login. So make sure you first of all add in your credentials and then request a SMS OTP and then follow these on-screen prompts in order to activate the new token on the new device as well. But however, if these are not the cases with you, this is likely happening due to app bugs. So in this situation, what you can do is simply reinstall the application onto your device. This ensures that you have the latest version, and any sort of bugs which might be causing the issue should also be fixed. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.